All right, so as you can see here, I'm standing on top of the counter and I'm cleaning the top of these cabinets. And as you can see, there's just gunk and junk up here, but the worst part about it is they must have cooked a lot of greasy foods, because this is just caked with just grease and grime. So watch me go ahead and clean this up. And all I'm using is this heavy duty cleaning wipes, keeping it simple. All right, so the moral of the story is, if you cook greasy foods, clean the top of your cabinets. Guaranteed they're dirty, guaranteed they're greasy, guaranteed they have a lot of dust, grime, gunk, you name it, it cakes up. Doesn't take long to do, and it'll improve the life of your cabinets. Till next time, stay handy, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.